Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel for today's 75th Russian word of the day. Today we are going to learn how to say microwave.
Микроволновая печь. Микроволновая печь. Микроволновая печь.
Although this word looks extremely long and complicated, it is long, but it's not necessarily complicated. It is pretty straightforward, actually, with several syllables that are pronounced like they would be in English. In the first half of this combined word, there is only one soft sound, and it's in the first syllable, mi. After that, everything is hard, kro-vol-no-va-ya. So really, the difficulty is just learning how to combine the syllables to make the word correct. The second word in this combined word does have a soft p at the beginning, but we don't need to worry about the soft sign after che at the end of the word, because che is always soft, and in this case, the soft sign merely indicates that pech is a feminine word. I will give you a few more chances to practice this word here in the video. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Микроволновая печь. Микроволновая печь. Микроволновая печь.